Hello everyone, welcome to Tech Tweets. In today's video, I will show you how to use Tenda router as your repeater mode. So if you have already one router installed and if you would like to use this Tenda router as your repeater mode without any cable, and it will collect the internet from the other router wirelessly, then continue watching this video. And before you continue, make sure you hit the like button and subscribe our channel for more updates. So first of all, what you have to do, you just need to turn on your router. So you can see my router is already turned on. You can see my green light is blinking. Now enter to the IP address. So what is the IP address? How to access this router? First of all, just check the back of your router. Here you will see an IP address. So for me, my IP address is 192.168.0.1. So in general, if you connect the Wi-Fi with this Tenda, so by default you will see the default Wi-Fi. You can see Tenda and a random number. So you will see Tenda or any random number. Just connect this. If you connect to this Wi-Fi, you will see a page like this. If you don't see this page, just go to your Google Chrome like this. Let me show you. Go to Google Chrome and you can see, type here 192.168.0.1 and you will find this page. Select the dynamic IP. Okay, must be dynamic IP, and then change the Wi-Fi name. Let's say I will change the name to Shamim. It's my name. Let's say Shamim W. Let's say, just for example, Wi-Fi password. Let's say, okay, let me show you. Shamim 12345. Let's say Shamim 1235. So you can see my wireless connection has been disconnected. Please connect to Wi-Fi name. So my new Wi-Fi name is Shamim W, right? So I am going to here. Yes, Shamim W is already here. So I just need to connect to this address. Perfect. So it's now connecting to the new Wi-Fi address. So it's now connected. Okay, now I need to access the panel again. So it's already connected. So after going to this page, you will find this option. You can see the three lines. So select the three lines. To make it repeatable, select the wireless repeating. Can you see the wireless repeating? So if you go to wireless repeating, here you can see it's now disabled. So what you need to do, select WISP. WISP means you can choose your existing Wi-Fi address so that you can connect to collect the internet. Okay, so select WISP and now choose any Wi-Fi that you would like to repeat. Let's say I'd like to repeat my previous Wi-Fi, which is Shamim Wi-Fi. There you go. Now we need to choose the password. Okay, so I am choosing the password. Perfect. Now select OK. So here is the text. If you enable WISP mode, the router will reboot. Are you sure you enable this mode? Yes. Okay. Now if I press OK, then this router will be my repeat router. So it will collect internet from my existing router, which is already set up. Then I can use this router to extend my wireless area. Let's say if you have a very large building and you are getting very low connection with your main router, so you can use this Tenda router to extend your router from the main router. Okay, so it will work as your repeater mode. Okay, so if I press OK, it will now take some time. You can see it's now rebooting. So after it completes the reboot, I'm done. I can now then connect this router as my repeat router and I will get good signal from my router. Okay, and it will collect internet from my existing router. There you don't have to connect any cable. You can see you don't need any Ethernet cable here. It will collect internet from your main router without any cable. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. Make sure you like and subscribe. Thank you.